Hey everyone, welcome back. This time we're going to put a transmission in this thing because if you look over here, from last time when we pulled it in, it decided to puke all the ATF out. And it's not just when it's sitting. There's a line coming in the garage here, all the way in. All the way from where we drove it in last time. If you've never seen that, go back and check out that video. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Of course I didn't film it. Go to flip the air cleaner lid off already. Surprise number one. Right full of mouse nest. Woo! I'm just going to deal with that mouse nest with some fire in a bit. But we'll wait to see if we can find any more. But I forgot, this thing's got the fancy no heat selector. Oop, no heat. Heat? So that's pretty fancy. I didn't know this thing had this much class. I really wish you guys could smell this. This garbage in the back just reeks like cat piss. So I gotta get this done so I can take that to the bin. So that's a lot to burn. And, well, I think we got fire bans going on. So we can only have small fires. Can you remove a Chevy half-ton hood by yourself? Yeah. Is it fun? No. Didn't leave enough threads on that one. Usually leave the top on a little bit, but this works. Oh really, the worst part of all of that was I lost one of the hood bolts. Which brings me to my next point. Always keep everything well organized. I like to just throw it all into one pail and when I put stuff back together, just guess. You know, usually there's only a certain amount of bolts that go in places, so split them up. Might not be the best way, but that's the way I've always done it.
Perfect.
And this is why you should always check the used parts you get, because I got the other tranny out and then noticed this. This is on the new one.
Beautiful.
Well, with one cup I wouldn't be worried, but nope, it was just all water, so I guess we'll be pulling the pan. Used parts for the win. Maybe we'll just be ordering a front seal and putting the old one back in again. But I'll whip this pan off and see how bad it is. It just like zoomed in on my face. It was like, what the fuck? Edit that shit right
out. Why not?
I'll edit it out, buddy. You're looking for any advice? Do this before you pull the old one.
Oh, look at all that goodness coming out of there. Oh, nice.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's get some sawdust around here. I'll take that. Red pail? Black pail. But apparently this thing only had 50,000 K on it, but that, I don't know. I think the lie detector determined that was a lie. It's pretty gunky. Where's the treble light now? Oh, and it's dead.
Oh,
So,
course,
well, yeah, we'll be right back. Alright, here's a light on some situations here. It definitely had a lot of water in it. But you can see it froze and boom, broke that. I cannot think of what that is, so if you know, comment that down below. I don't know, a little frustrated, so the old thinker's not working. But I messaged the guy I got this from, gonna see what we can do, because I can't just use this. What else is frozen, broken inside this? Yeah, it's supposed to have 50,000 K, and if you look in this pan, there's a lot of metal shavings and dirt and everything, so I don't know. But I'll check back in with you guys once I know what I'm doing next. But for now, I guess we're just at a standstill. Yeah. Well, I guess this is gonna be it for this one. I'm just gonna order a new front seal for this tranny. We've seen some damage from when it was last installed. I think that's why it was leaking, so just fire another one at it, why not? This one, I'm in contact with the guy I got it from. I think I'm gonna get a refund for it just because, well, I didn't pay for one that's been frozen and broke up. Nothing against the guy, he's a good guy, it's just kinda sucks when you're this far in and find out you're an idiot and should have looked at the stuff you bought. I guess that's the moral of it. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this one. Remember, hit the little subscribe button, a little bubble should pop up there, and then check out some of these other videos I got up here. But see you guys next time.